make a magic ring. Single crochet 8 times into the ring. Then tighten it, slip stitch into the first single crochet, and chain 1. Now make 2 single crochet into each stitch. When you get 16 single crochet by the end of this round, make a slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the milk yarn or white yarn, insert the hook in one of the stitches and chain 3. Then we make 2 clusters into the same stitch. So how to make them? We start like the double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and now you have 2 loops on the hook. So we repeat, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through all the loops that you have on the hook. Then we chain 2, skip 1 stitch and repeat the clusters. So let me show you again in slow mode how to make them. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, then again yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Now chain 2, skip 1 stitch and make 3 clusters in the next one. And then repeat till the end, which is 6 more times, and in total you will get 8 petals. When you're done, make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the blue yarn, insert the hook into any chain 2 spaces and chain 3. Make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and now make 3 double crochet. After that, make 3 half double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Then 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet into this chain 2 space. Three half double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Then 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. Three half double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Three double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet, and 3 half double crochet into the last chain 2 space. Slip stitch, and now we are going to half double crochet around. For that, chain 1, half double crochet into the same stitch, and then it's going to be simple. We make 1 half double crochet in each stitch except the corners. In the chain 2 space, which are our corners, we will make 2 half double crochet. Now stitch all the pieces together. Take 2 squares, put them front to front, so outside is going to be the back part of both pieces. And now use the front loop of the first piece, which is closer to you, and the back loop of the second piece. In reality, these are back loops of both pieces. And then stitch all the pieces according to the scheme. After that, we are going to half double crochet to extend the headband. Insert the hook, chain 1 and half double crochet into the same stitch. Then half double crochet till the end of this row. Chain 1, turn and repeat. When it's done, join by making a slip stitch. That's how it will look like, but we are going also to half double crochet round to make the edges neat. For that, we are going to chain one and just half double crochet in each space that you have. And repeat the same on the second side. I hope it was useful. You can hit the like, subscribe to my channel and check other tutorials that I have. In case of any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments.